Hello YouTube. Here we have an installation of the Strike Industries extended charging handle. Comes with no instructions. Comes with its own spring and a tapered roller pin. And there she is. Let's see if I can get that over something a little brighter so you can see it. Alright, to install it, first we have to remove the old one. And that's going to require a small pin punch. Now you want to hang on to it because there's a spring in there, and of course that spring is going to want to fly out. So we're just going to push this pin out. Here it comes. There it is, and it fell on the ground. Okay. Now the pin is holding it all. The pin punch is holding it all together, and I've lost the thing. Here, let's look at the difference. So it's extended, maybe a 1/4 inch with a bigger surface. All right. Let's go ahead and install this. I'm going to hold this and remove the pin punch and very carefully let the spring out. And there we go. Let's get the new spring ready. All right. There's the roll pin. Here's the new spring. And get the old spring out with the pin punch. The new spring is shorter, quite a bit shorter than the old spring. Very interesting. Okay, let's install this shorter spring. Let's install this new longer charging handle. Let's get this tiny tapered roll pin in the hole first. Okay, in we go. Oh, looks like it fell right in there. And there it's in. Very nice. Now we'll take the pin punch and push it in the rest of the way with the back of the pin punch. Oh, sure we will. Apparently it's not lining up with the hole on the other side. Let's try a little hammering. Almost there. Just a little more. I think we'll have it. It just doesn't want to go all the way in. All right, let me get my good swing here. It's in the other side. Something a little harder to sit on. Let's try this. And there it is. That's in all the way. Let's try that in the gun. Get in there. Booger. Very nice. There you have it, YouTube. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.